I got a really good upgrade on my water pressure with this.
So my old detachable shower head broke, and I'm having to use this really old shower head right now that hardly has any water pressure. And the old detachable shower head we didn't have the best water pressure either. That's why I'm glad I was gifted this all metal handheld shower head by Hammerhead. All right, so let's check it out. Metal shower hose. It looks pretty lengthy. And then I'm guessing that this is the actual shower head piece. Oh wow, that looks really nice. Since this is all metal, it looks so much more durable than my old shower head. And I love that they have a variety of colored metals. That way you can find the one that best matches your shower. There's only 6 steps to perform on these instructions, so it should be pretty easy. Gonna unscrew my old one, take it off, good riddance. I'm gonna use the thread seal tape that came with the kit and wrap it around the end of the shower nozzle here. Now I'm gonna put this shower holder onto the shower arm here. I'm just gonna twist it on. Then connect one end of the hose into the shower holder, and it threads on really easily. Connect the other end of the hose into the handheld shower head piece. And it twists on really nicely. And then you just simply place it into the shower holder. Yeah, that chrome matches my shower perfectly. And that hose and that shower head look so sharp. And that cord has enough slack to go all the way down to the bottom of the shower. All right, let's turn on the water and check it out. Oh, wow. That water pressure is so much better than it was before. Like, seriously. That water pressure is legit. Oh my gosh. When I take off my noise canceling mic, you can really hear how strong that water pressure is. For comparison, I'm 6'6", so it's really nice that this goes up because that way it's still above me, which I love. And I love that it's detachable. I can get to all the lower areas. And that holder is adjustable. You can move it down, sideways, all kinds of ways. This is a huge upgrade from what I used to have. I can't wait to use this in the shower on myself, and I can't wait to use the handheld piece on my dogs when I give them a bath.